the GoldenJet Returns at Flight Fest East 2018. Oh yeah!
This is how videos start. Hi, we're here at the place where we fly. Tessa is going to help me film, so thank you, Tessa. I am sure one day when you are a famous filmer person, you will look back on this and be like, wow. And I would too, because I'd be like, I knew her before she was famous.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, we're starting. Hey everybody, so you may remember this as the GoldenJet, and it used to have a much longer nose. The motor was back up here. Well, that was terrible, and you could see that in the other video about the GoldenJet. So this will be the return of the GoldenJet, and what I did is I did a little chopping and globbing. Got the motor out front here instead of back there, and check out this thrust angle. This is one of the biggest things that I think is interesting. You see that? See how the motor is pointed down and to the right like a lot? Like it's heavy duty. So, but that's what you need when you've got a lot of torque, and also for when you're dealing with differential thrust on the propeller. Looks like a MiG, doesn't it? I think it does. Oh man, dang! Look at that. You know, it actually handles the wind pretty well, but I don't have a whole lot of roll authority because I think those elevons are just a little. I'm gonna do a low pass if I can. This thing definitely glides pretty well. Looks pretty stupid with the nose chopped off, but you know, sometimes stupid works. And now we got the 4-cell power on this baby. Are you ready? Are you ready? Remember, you can talk.
Okay, yes.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
That makes some terrible noise, and I'm getting a lot of turbulence. There we go, downwind. Wow. Man, can you hear that?
The communication is awesome.
Sorry. I forgot. Communicate with me and tell me that I forgot.
Oh, I just did, didn't I?
Come in for a low-ish pass. Speed up in 3, 2, 1. And I'm going to climb. And now I'm going to bring it back, and I'm going to go the other way. Right over top of us.
Whoa, where'd it go? That was fast.
That's not good.
What happened?
Not good. Come back to me. Come back. Oh, that was scary. Okay. Come on back. Where you going? Hey. Uh-oh. Whoop. Coming into land. Check out that prop. Yeah, I probably should have gotten a smaller propeller and a newer propeller. Dang! Well, that was pretty crazy. Anyway, I just wanted to share this with you that I got this plane working again. Mainly a thrust angle issue. Maybe some CG stuff going on. Runs pretty crazy on 4-cell. Definitely good on 3-cell. And I'm using an 850 milliamp hour battery, by the way. Thanks for watching. Go check out the other video about why this sucked the first time. And I'll see you next time.